In this video, we are discussing structure of DNA and RNA, MCQ and microbiology. This is fourth video. You can watch all MCQ and microbiology video on this channel. Video link provided in description. This is a quick revision video, so we start. Question number 1 is a peculiar cytochrome is observed in bacteria and it can react with molecular oxygen. What is it? Answer is cytochrome O. Option D is right. Option D is right. Question number 2 is the genetic material in HIV is the genetic material in HIV is dsDNA. Option A is right. dsDNA. Question number 3 is which one of the following mutagens act only on replicating DNA? Which one of the following mutagens act only on replicating DNA? Answer C is right. Acridine orange. Option C is right. Acridine orange. Question number 4 is a poly A tail is frequently found in poly A tails is frequently found in eukaryotic RNA. Option C is right. Eukaryotic RNA. Question number 5. Which one of the following is an example of RNA virus? Option C is right. Tobacco mosaic virus is a type of RNA virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. Question number 6 is genomic DNA is extracted, broken into fragments of reasonable size by a restriction endonuclease and then inserted into a cloning vector to generate chimeric vector. The cloned fragments are called genomic library. Option B is right. Genomic library. Question number 7 is transgenic animals are produced when GH genes fused with transgenic animals are produced when GH genes fused with MT genes. Option A is right. MT genes. Question number 8 is in which medium the hybridoma cells grow selectively? B is right. Hypoxanthine aminopetrine thymine. Question number 9 is the enzymes which are commonly used in genetic engineering are option A is right. Exonuclease and ligase. Question number 10. A successful hybridoma was produced by fusing. A successful hybridoma was produced by fusing plasma cell and myeloma cell. Plasma cell and myeloma cell. Option B is right. Question number 11 is the technique involved in comparing the DNA components of two samples is known as genetic fingerprinting. Question number 12 is plasmids are ideal vectors for gene cloning. As they are self-replicating with the bacterial cell. Option D is right. Question number 13 is humans normally have 46 chromosomes in skin cells. How many autosomes would be expected in a kidney cell? Humans normally have 46 chromosomes in a skin cell. How many autosomes would be expected in a kidney cell? This answer is 44. Option D is right. 44. Question number 14 is Pasteur effect is due to providing oxygen to anaerobically respiring structures. Option B is right. Question number 15 is a mechanism that can cause a gene to move from one linkage group to another is Translocation. Option A is right, translocation. Question number 16 is the smallest unit of genetic material that can undergo mutation is called. The smallest unit of genetic material that can undergo mutation is called mutant. Option D is right, mutant. Question number 17. Chromatid. The, the two chromatids of metaphase chromosome represent the the two chromatids of metaphase chromosomes represent replicating replic, replicated chromosomes to be separated at anaphase. Replicated chromosomes to be separated at anaphase. Option A is right. Question number 18 is malate dehydrogenase enzyme is a malate dehydrogenase enzyme is a oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase. Option D is right. Question number 19 is in E. coli at site is in between. In E. coli at site is in between. In E. coli at site is in between Gale and Bayonnaise. Option A is right. Gale and Bayonnaise. Question number 20 is the best vector for gene cloning. The best vector for gene cloning is relaxed control plasmid. Relaxed control plasmid. Option A is right. Question number 21 is a gene that takes part in the synthesis of polypeptide is a gene that takes part in the synthesis of polypeptide is structural genes. Option A is right. Structural gene. Question number 22 is DNA replicates during S phase. S phase. Question number 23 is a human cell containing 22 autosomes and a Y chromosomes is probably a human cells containing 22 autosomes and a Y chromosomes is probably is a zygote. Option B is right. Zygote. Question number 24 is crossing over most commonly occurs during crossing over most commonly occurs during prophase first. Option A is right. Prophase first. Question number 25 is DNA replication is by the mechanism of DNA replication is by the mechanism of semi-conservative. Semi-conservative. Question number 26 is production of RNA from DNA is called production of RNA from DNA is called transcription. Option C is right. Transcription. Question number 27 is nucleic acid contain adenine. Adenine. Option B is right. Adenine. Question number 28 is what are the structure unit of nucleic acid? What are the structural unit of nucleic acid? Structural units of nucleic acid is nucleotides. Nucleotides. Option C is right. Question number 29. The most important function of a gene is synthesize. The most important function of a gene is to synthesize enzymes. Option A is right. Enzymes. Question number 30 is one of the genes present exclusively on X chromosome in human is concerned with. One of the genes represent exclusive on the X chromosome in human is concerned with red green color wildness. Red green color wildness. Option B is right. Question number 31 is peptide linkages are formed in between. Peptide linkages are formed in between. Peptide linkages are formed in between amino acids. Option B is right. Question number 32 is the nucleic acid of poliovirus is the nucleic acid of poliovirus is RNA minus plus type. RNA minus plus type. Option B is right. Question number 33 is rabies virus is Rabies virus is enveloped RNA virus. Enveloped RNA virus. Option C is right. Question number 34. Example of DNA virus. Example of DNA virus is adenovirus. Adenovirus. Question number 35. In genetic engineering, breaks in DNA are formed by enzymes known as. In genetic engineering, breaks in DNA are formed by enzymes known as ligase. Option B is right. Ligase. Question number 36 is DNA transfer from one bacterium to another through phase is termed as. DNA transfer from one bacterium to another through phase is termed as transcription. Question number 37 is microorganism usually makes acetyl CoA by oxidizing. Microorganism usually makes acetyl CoA by oxidizing acetic acid. Option A is right. Question number 38 is the method of DNA replication proposed by Watson and Crick is. The method of DNA replicating proposed by Watson and Crick is semi-conservative. Option A is right. Semi-conservative. Question number 39 is the distance between each turn in the helical strand of DNA is. The distance between each turn in the helical strand of DNA is 34 angstrom. 34 angstrom. Option B is right. Question number 40 is self-replicating small circular DNA molecules present in bacterial cell are known as. Self-replicating small circular DNA molecules present in bacterial cell are known as plasmids. Option A is right. Plasmids. Question number 41 is Western blotting is the technique used in the determination of. Western blotting is the technique used in the determination of DNA. Option B is right. Question number 42 is mRNA synthesis from DNA is termed mRNA synthesis from DNA is termed as transcription. Option A is right. Question number 43 is Western blotting is a technique used in the determination of. Western blotting is a technique used in the determination of DNA. Option A is right. Question number 44 is building block of nucleic acid are nucleotides. Nucleotides. Option C is right. Question number 45 is DNA fingerprinting is based on. DNA fingerprinting is based on unique sequence. Unique sequence. Option B is right. Option B is right. Question number 46 is the enzyme required for DNA from RNA templates. Option B is right. Reverse transcriptase. The enzyme required for DNA from RNA templates is reverse transcriptase. Question number 47 is double-stranded RNA is seen in. Double-stranded RNA is seen in reovirus. Option A is right. Reovirus. Question number 48 is example of DNA viruses. Example of DNA viruses: adenovirus, bacteriophage T1, T2, T6. Option C, Papavirus. Option D is herpes virus and cauliflower mosaic. Option E is right. All of the above. All of the above is the example of DNA viruses. Question number 49 is the following are the RNA viruses except. The following are the RNA virus except Dihela mosaic virus and bacteriophage 5 147 M12 M30. This is not RNA virus. Option E is right. Question number 50 is the two strands of DNA are joined non-covalently by. The two strands of DNA are joined non-covalently by hydrogen bond between bases. Hydrogen bond between bases. Question number 51. The bases adenine and thymine are paired with. The bases adenine and thymine paired with double hydrogen bonds. Option A is right. Double hydrogen bonds. Number 52 is the number of hydrogen bonds existing between guanine and cytosine are. The number of hydrogen bonds existing between guanine and cytosine are 3. Option C is right. Question number 53 is the length of each coil in DNA strand is 34 angstrom. Option B. Question number 54 is nucleic acid are highly charged polymer due to there is phosphodiester bond between 5 hydroxyl of one ribose and 3 hydroxyl of next ribose. Option A is right. Question number 55 is the best study example of specialized transaction is E phase. E phase. Option C is right. Question number 56 is the diagrammatic representation of the total number of genes in DNA is gene map. Option B is right. The gene map. Question number 57 is during specialized transduction. During specialized transduction, a few number of genes are transferred. A few number of genes are transferred. During specialized transduction, a few number of genes are transferred. Option B is right. Question number 58 is the cell donating DNA during transformation is exogenate. Exogenate. Option B is right. Question number 59 is genetic information transfer DNA to RNA is called transcriptase. Option A is right. Transcriptase. Question number 60 is the last question of this video. If you found this video helpful for you, you can like my video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Question number 60 is the gene transfer occurs by. The gene transfer occurs by transformation. Option A is right. Transformation. Thank you for watching my video.